Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple hairstyles. First, tie the hairs like this on the back, roll it one by one into small sections, join them and repeat the process. Now tie all the hairs in the same manner, make the plaits on the ends and fold it, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides, rotate them and join them. Now again repeat the process. Now fold them upward and tie all the hairs, divide it from the between, fold it like this upward and fix it, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs. Make the plaits on the hairs like this. First, divide the hairs after tying a ponytail. Now fix them like this. Now roll them together and make a bun out of it. Fix it from folding it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Now put this bun wrap on the hairs. Now take small section of the hairs. Now fold them one by one and then roll it upward and fix it around the band like this. Tie all the hairs in similar way. Now fix it from the sides and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it like this on the back, divide it from the between and rotate it. Rotate it for 3 to 4 times, now fold it upward and fix it and it's done. Next, tie the hairs on the back. Now take the hairs from the sides in small sections and then roll them like this. Tie the hairs using the hairs from the sides only. So fix it in the same way till the bottom of the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top like this, fix it and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fix the hairs from the sides into small sections in the between, fix it one by one. Now after tie it properly and tie the hairs and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail. So here we have tied half hairs. Now divide it from the between or divide the hairs into 2 parts. Then divide it from the between and then rotate it. Make a bow on the top, fix it using a rubber band. Now tie the hairs, fill it from the sides and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.